The elementary school SVETOZAR MARKOVIĆ TOZA was built in 1976 and nowadays 1,309 pupils attend it from the 1st to the 8th grade. The school has 6,500 square meters of interior space and 10,000 square meters of exterior space. Complete health prevention is organized for all the pupils at school, together with free brunch which is obtained for more than 600 pupils. The management of the school in the last few years succeeded in improving the conditions of stay and work at school to a great extent. In the majority of the classrooms, the furniture has been completely changed in accordance to the European standards. We have also improved the process of teaching through modernization of teaching aids. Our students are able to use the most up-to-date microscopes, CD cameras, smart boards, computers, LCDs and many other things. Pupil section works very successfully on the school level and through the studying of technical training which uses and applies renewable sources of energy. As the management of the school has understood the importance of this kind of energy, teachers and students working in this section have been obtained by all the necessary technical equipment so the students could work more efficiently. Solar panels, inverters, accumulators, etc. Solar panels are turned to the sun and produces electricity. The panel is consisted of solar cells which transform sunlight into the electricity. That way the batteries are being charged, which are used during the day. If there is not enough light, during the night the accumulated electrical energy moves everything: trains, street lights, switches. Our panel has an electric power of 80 watts and a power voltage of 12 volts. By using the regulator of electric power, we charge the accumulator of 12 volts and using the inverter, we get the power voltage of alternating current of 220 volts. We connected our computer through the inverter onto the accumulator together with the whole model and the interface. Interfejs is the electronic appliance that enables managing the system program using the computer. That is a modern teaching aid whose main role is to acquaint both elementary and secondary school students with computers, programming and robotics. We use the interface to manage trains, traffic lights, railway switches and lights. Using the interface we control the street lights, change of light on the traffic lights, reflectors on the stadium. We also install two cameras, one following the change of light on the traffic light and the other that follows railway and road traffic, as an example the control of the railroad traffic in an inhabited area, so that the camera can record the change of railway switches. The new interface has been created which, unlike the old one, had 8 exits with a permanent voltage, now has 32 exits. Now the interface has 10 exits with permanent voltage, 2 multipurpose exits, 2 exits for a one-way engine with change of speed and direction, 4 entering switches, 1 exit for servo engine and 2 permanent sources, one of 200 mAs and the other one of 2 A's. The connection of this interface is made over the USB connector, power of 12 amperes of a direct current. Software solution is that through list of events we start certain consumers on the model. Street lights and the reflectors on the stadium are made on the exits with the adjustable voltage so that we don't use the maximum voltage, but we use it gradually. Using the energy that we get from the solar panels, we manage the traffic and the lighting in the town. We wanted to show that over the monitor one can control the traffic in the whole city. It is also possible to control manually the traffic lights in the rush hours over the computer. We used all these things and showed it into our project. We put a ramp that was made using servo engine on the crossing across the railroad. is being started by mechanical contact the very moment the train comes across it, and it's being held down until the moment the train crosses the mechanical contact. By using the renewable resources of energy in the interface technology, we change our previous habits and at the same time save the energy the less we have available.